What's up, my ninjas? If you haven't heard it from me before, Happy New Year. Today is January 6th. I actually forgot. Today is January 6th, 2022. Happy New Year again. Thank you for clicking on this video and for tuning into the Internet Income Ninja. On this channel, we talk about money. We talk about making it. We talk about growing it. We talk about hacks, tools, tips, tricks, everything that has to do with making money, but making it online. Today's video is about a job lead at a company called Selfdecode. You will be working not 3 hours, you'll be working full-time internationally as a virtual assistant. So all my virtual assistants out there, all those people who are hacking away at the keyboard and making sure that all those meetings are scheduled and all the tasks are done, you know yourselves. Thanks for watching. And if you're out of work, this may be the ticket for you. If you look in the top left corner of your screen, it is 7:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, again on January 6th, 2022. And at this point in time, or at the time of recording, this video was posted 3 hours ago. All right. If we press this link, the website to Selfdecode will open up. And from there, you can learn so much more about the company. All right. Who they are, what they're about, and so on and so forth. You can get personalized health recommendations based on your genes and labs, like lab tests. It's the #1 gene-based health software. We never sell your data, 30-day money-back guarantee, and so on and so forth. Upload an existing or order a new DNA test and lab tests. Okay, we'll see how much more this applies to the role as we move along. Now, they are looking for a virtual assistant to provide administrative support to our team while working remotely. As a virtual assistant, you will perform various administrative tasks, including answering emails, scheduling meetings, and outreach. You should be able to handle administrative projects and deliver high quality work under minimum supervision. So some experience is required there to have the discipline, the drive, the experience to, stay focused. Being able to act autonomously and staying focused on what is happening in your role and in the company that you are serving. Your main responsibilities will involve assisting the company's upper management with a variety of tasks. So to reiterate, the role is full-time, fully remote. They don't want any agencies applying. They want individuals applying who are virtual assistants, not someone who's learning to become a virtual assistant, but actual virtual assistants. Okay, no agencies. Competitive salary will be provided, and it will be in accordance with skill, abilities, and experience, and can vary widely. This is good for you because you can sell yourself as experienced. You can sell tasks you've done. You can cite high-level managers that you've worked with, or cases where your experience and the input you gave was so well received they couldn't help but take you on, and why Selfdecode needs to take you on and pay you the highest. You can talk yourself into this and have the proof to back it up through your resume and CV and stuff like that. All right. So not stating the annual salary upfront isn't necessarily a bad thing. If they wanted to give you 60,000 per year, for argument's sake, hey, they'll probably have to reconsider and give you 80 instead. Feel me? All right. Now, responsibilities will include researching various topics. You'll assist the CEO and executives in various tasks as needed. You'll help run operations in the company, do internal communications, and fill in gaps and projects. Okay? They may ask you to do some stuff outside of this. So don't be surprised. Just because they listed these things here doesn't mean that you are restricted to doing those things. They may ask you to do some stuff. After all, you are their help. You will become their right hand. And if something happens, they're going to rely on you to get it fixed. All right? Pluses, you are a health enthusiast. If you are a health enthusiast, That would be a big plus. And if you have a science background, that would also be a big plus, because they're going to be talking about genes. They're going to be talking about ribonucleic acid and deoxyribonucleic acid and all these stuff that has to do with DNA and genetic code and how things work and, science stuff like that. So if you have a science background, you more than likely will catch on fairly quickly, or at least have some idea what's being talked about and what they're about. All right. So I mentioned selling yourself and having a resume and cover letter and all that jazz. If you look at the second link in the description below, you will find a link to a website called Canva. Canva is basically a graphics website, so you can create a bunch of graphic work, art pieces, cards, flyers, TikTok videos, Instagram posts, you name it, you can design it there. What you can also design is a resume and a cover letter. All right. So when you click the link, you will have access to hundreds of each type of visual piece. So resumes, there are hundreds of resume templates. Birthday cards, there are hundreds of birthday card templates. Christmas cards, there are hundreds of templates for Christmas cards. And the best part is it's all absolutely free. Is there a paid version? Yes. But it's free to start. You can start and do some amazing things with the free version. So you want a resume done? Sign up, click the link below. Click the link in the description below. Click the link, it opens the page. Sign up, enter email address, name, sign up. After you've signed up, go to the search bar, type in the type of thing you want to do. So in this case, resume. You'll see some templates. Pick the one that looks professional and is in keeping with the image you're trying to put across for the type of job you're applying for. Okay? Then it asks for your name, enter your name. Where it says address, enter your address. Where it says age or place of birth, country, you just enter the information. It's that simple. Okay? So if you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant for Selfdecode, press this button right here. Press it. The application page will open up where it will prompt you to enter your information, and from there you can upload your resume and cover letter. Guys, making money online has never been this easy. All right? So if you appreciate what I'm bringing to you, if you value what I'm sharing, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell so when videos come out, the phone notifies you. It's free to do and it helps both of us. Okay? So subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.